Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Bitcoin trading technical analysis video. In today's video, we're going to take apart this 1, 2, 3 pattern that's building up. We're going to compare it against the indicators, the MACD and the relative strength index. We're going to take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin dominance relative to Bitcoin price. And at the end of the video, we're going to dig into the crypto smartwatch control panel. And we're going to highlight why this blue data here is so important for altcoins. This whole video is packed with a bunch of cool tips, but if you really want to grow your money with altcoins, be sure to stay to the end of the video for that report on the bull market watch. Let's start off by looking at the chart pattern. Here we have the 1, 2, 3 pattern on the 1 hour time frame here. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. And we can see that we have this 1, 2, 3, that prices broke down below that level at the same time that the 1 hour EMA has crossed. Now these 1, 2, 3 patterns, when they prove themselves out correctly, they nest bigger and bigger. And so what I'm expecting to see now is that we watch for a bigger 1, 2, 3 pattern on the 4 hour time frame. So now this turns into a 1, 2, 3 pattern, and that if prices break below this level while the exponential moving average is crossing, that is part of my exit strategy to get out of part of my trade when the 4 hour EMA exits. And that's what I'm going to be showing you at the end of the video when we talk about the bull market watch data. If you've been watching for a while, I like to verify these 1, 2, 3 patterns by watching what's going on with the indicators. About 6 days ago, I did a video here where I was talking about the pullback pattern and the explosive move just about to come that I was expecting right here. And of course, as we see in Bitcoin prices now, that's exactly what did happen, is we had a larger parallel channel, and inside that we had preparation parallel channels where prices were pulling back. And the key thing was that right at the very same time that those patterns broke out, we had the MACD on the 4 hour time frame crossing over and breaking out to verify that pattern as it went. And so now if we're going to get that same pattern, what we're watching for, if this price is going to break higher and continue going up, I'm watching for the MACD to cross positive and this histogram to go back to positive like it did here. And that will verify for me as we are going up that this is a confirmed breakout and that we are going to go considerably higher. We're probably going to go for a big move once this 4 hour MACD trend breaks. As we see this downtrend moving along here, as soon as that long-term downtrend broke, we were on a major uptrend, and it's consolidating again and may be ready to break higher and really surge us up. The other side of the coin is to pay attention to the 4 hour does cross and go negative and work its way down further. That will confirm that we are in a 1, 2, 3 top formation here. And that's what's going to happen with the MACD when the prices break below our 1, 2, 3. We're going to know it's a confirmation because of what the MACD is doing in breaking over this trend line and clarifying one direction or the other what's going on. So as this 1, 2, 3 formation actually plays itself out and breaks lower, we'll be watching for confirmation in the MACD. And if it's breaking higher, again, we're going to watch for confirmation in this 4 hour MACD. It's also just as important to look at the patterns that was going on in the RSI when this same stair-stepping pattern was building up here. The important thing that I can see in the relative strength index is a similar downtrend and then a break of that downtrend. So as we have the relative strength index coming down to more and more oversold conditions, we can see that it ends up forming a trend line, and a break of that trend line coincides with prices breaking out stronger. Now, before we get into the important data from the bull market watch, I do want to take a look at Bitcoin dominance here in candles with Bitcoin price in the background in blue. We can see that Bitcoin dominance is making a potential bottom formation, and the 4 hour exponential moving average is just about to cross over into a bullish stance. Now, if Bitcoin dominance does cross this level and start to go up, a lot of the alts are going to pull back. In fact, that's what's showing up right now in the bull market watch spreadsheet. We already have a total of 16 coins that have crossed the 4-hour EMA exit just today in Binance. So we had a whole bunch of hold status coins, and 16 of those have gone past the 4-hour EMA exit already, which means that we should be closing half of our position in that altcoin. And that increases the number of partial hold coins that we have. If those coins continue to pull back, they'll be starting to cross the 12-hour EMA exit, and that's when we're supposed to be selling all of our of that cryptocurrency. So we can see that not all the coins are doing really well. The weakest of the coins are the ones that we should be getting out of now. And if that weakness continues, the bull market watch spreadsheet is going to show us exactly which ones to be getting out of. But all is not doom and gloom in the altcoins. I want to take a sneak peek inside our Pro Alert spreadsheet. Here on the website, the Binance holds are all put together into one spreadsheet. And I've sorted them here by the open profit and losses. 260% profit and loss right now on C98 coin. AVAX is up 152%. ATA, just in its explosive move today, we're up 152% profit. IOTX, we're up 129%. Crazy gains, and you can see all of these coins that we have are our entry price, our profit target, our stop loss is above our entry price right now for most all of these coins that we have such great profits on. And you may think that, oh, it's nice to have, 10 coins that are showing really good profits, but actually we have 50 odd coins that are over 9% profit, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 coins, 108 coins basically, 107 coins that are above zero. They're in profit of all of the 151 coins that we have right now. If you'd like to learn more about the 1, 2, 3 trading pattern that I'm doing on Bitcoin, if you'd like to learn more about the bull market watch or the pro alerts, be sure to head over to the website and start yourself off with our free training. Scroll down a little bit, put your email address in, and you'll get a 27-minute webinar and a 30-page study guide that goes along with it. For free training, it teaches you the entire trading system that I talk about, that we work on, and that the bull market watch helps you with, and the pro alerts helps you with as well. Helps take care of a lot of that work by doing this trading plan for you on all of those different cryptocurrencies. Be sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the follow-up to see what happens if this turns into a 1, 2, 3 pattern that is just underneath our original 1, 2, 3. It kind of makes a head and shoulders top formation, and we'll have to project how far down might this pull. Thank you very much for tuning in right to the end. Be sure to trade safe and keep your losses small.